Have you ever wondered what it took to construct a bridge that defies the limits of engineering? How was it possible to construct the world's highest arch bridge? And what challenges did the engineers overcome to turn it into reality? We are talking about the world's highest railway bridge, the Chenab Bridge, spanning 467 meters, equivalent to 1,532 feet. The arch of the Chenab Bridge ranks among the top 10 longest bridges in the world. This engineering marvel also holds the title of the tallest railway bridge on the planet, with a total length of 1,315 meters. It even surpasses the iconic Eiffel Tower in Paris by 35 meters. The visionary behind this monumental achievement was none other than Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. From the mountains of Kashmir to the shores of Kanyakumari, it was his dream to unite India. The vision of this great man was brought to life through the determination of our present Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. There was a lot of skepticism about the project, but under the guidance of PM Shri Narendra Modi and with the sheer determination of 1,300 workers and 300 engineers, the monumental task of constructing the Chenab Bridge was successfully accomplished.
रेलवे का पूरा जोर है कि अगले 2-3 साल में बेली रेलवे से कनेक्ट हो जाए.
He once said the world would marvel at this engineering wonder, and today we stand as proud witnesses to the world's highest railway arch bridge.
It has been a big mission for our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to make sure that Kashmir Valley is connected to the mainland for all weather, good world-class connectivity, and the Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla project is part of this mission. And with the completion of the tunnels and the bridges, with constructing the railway line, Kashmir Valley will get connected to Kanyakumari in one single railway system, and a train will run from Srinagar all the way to Kanyakumari.
The bridge stands as a symbol of progress for a future where such engineering feats become the norm. The Chenab Railway Bridge is not just a milestone in infrastructure, it's a symbol of technological advancement, the power of perseverance, and a united India that dares to dream big. This bridge isn't merely an engineering triumph, it's the foundation for future progress. Building this monumental bridge required exceptional planning and execution. And a key challenge was transporting the materials to the construction site. To achieve this, the engineers constructed a 250-kilometer road to streamline the transportation of materials and equipment to the bridge's remote location. This road, akin to a lifeline, served as the crucial artery for the construction process, allowing for the seamless movement of heavy machinery, steel beams, concrete, and other essential materials. Without this strategic logistical solution, this ambitious project would have faced insurmountable challenges in material supply and construction efficiency.
जब से चेनाब रेल ब्रिज का काम लगा है, जहाँ पर हमें बहुत सारी सुविधाएं हो गई हैं, रोड कनेक्टिविटी हो गई है. जैसे हम पहले हॉस्पिटल में जाते तो कई किलोमीटर पैदल जाना पड़ता था, कई बार चारपाई पे बंदे को लेके जाते थे तो रास्ते में ही दम तोड़ देता. अब तो गाड़ी सीधा घर पर पहुंच जाती है. अब हमें बहुत अच्छा है.
मैं कोड़ी का रहने वाला हूं और मेरे माँ बाप यहीं रहते हैं. कोड़ी में बुजुर्ग माँ बाप है मेरे, और कटरा में मैं काम करता हूं घोड़े पिट्ठू का वहाँ पे. और पहले हम एक दिन में जाते थे, एक दिन में आते थे. अभी रेलवे ब्रिज बनने से हम सुबह जाके शाम को वापस घर में आ सकते हैं और माँ बाप का ध्यान रख सकते हैं.
The Chenab Bridge lies on the 272-kilometer long railway line from Udhampur to Baramulla. The bridge connects the Kashmir Valley with the Indian Railways network. This project, known as the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla Rail Link Project, USBRL, is considered one of the most challenging undertakings of the Indian Railways after independence. The alignment of USBRL involves the construction of numerous tunnels and bridges in extremely rugged and mountainous terrain, characterized by difficult and complex Himalayan geology. This project involves the construction of 38 tunnels with a combined length of 119 kilometers and 927 bridges with a combined length of 13 kilometers.
The railway line is practically built on tunnel, bridge, that kind of structure is there. So it is a very complex and very challenging project. This bridge will be a key part of that link, which is very important for the economy of Jammu and Kashmir and for getting better opportunities for people of Jammu and Kashmir.
On the USBRL route in Jammu and Kashmir between Katra and Riyasi, the Anji Bridge stands out as India's first cable-stayed railway bridge, showcasing yet another engineering marvel. The Anji Bridge features a single pylon standing 331 meters above the riverbed. Spanning 473 meters, the bridge is supported by 96 cables. Due to the pylon's construction on a vertical slope, 40-meter deep micro-piles were used around a 20-meter circumference well foundation, necessitating the use of many unique techniques and equipment. The Chenab Bridge project, undertaken by Konkan Railway Corporation Limited, has faced numerous challenges. The primary challenge was navigating the most difficult and isolated terrain. Additionally, constructing the bridge without obstructing the flow of the Chenab River presented another significant hurdle. As a first step, the stability of the rock mass was assessed. Stabilizing the mountain slopes for the steel arch bridge also proved to be a complex and demanding task. Constructing foundations and implementing slope stabilization measures in the young Himalayan mountains posed significant technical insolubility. The plan included stabilizing the slopes before building piers. The bridge spans a deep gorge with steep sides ranging from 43 to 77 degrees, making slope stabilization a Herculean task. Thus, top-down construction method was used. The initial step in the process involved cutting and leveling the topmost bench. The slope stabilization measures were designed by the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and the designs were examined by renowned international consultancy firm URS.
Taking up such a large project for execution required lots and lots of things to come in place. We have had panels of multiple domains, for example, architects, town planners, building designers, structural designers, designers who know what to do in case of high vibration environment. All those domain experts have contributed to this journey.
As I say, the region, it's a difficult region. You've got to get 30,000 tons of steel up to site to start building the bridge. Then all the people, all of the temporary works, all of the equipment, all of that delivered up to here. And then you're dealing with a site, and you can just see from the site, the geology is very challenging. The slopes are not stable. A lot of work has gone into those. And then to build it with the time frame that's there, it really is a challenge. So the fact you can actually achieve this is remarkable.
The construction of the Chenab Bridge has been a collaborative effort involving various international organizations and renowned Indian institutions, including the Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, the the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and the Geological Survey of India. The initial activities at the site involved dropping loose boulders, establishing the dumping area, building approach roads on the steep slope to accommodate heavy-duty dumpers and other construction machinery. Once this was completed, the excavation began in steps 3 to 5 meters. Thereafter, controlled blasting was used to excavate up to a distance of 6 meters. The excavated material is dropped off in pre-designated dumping areas. Catch trenches were created at each stage to prevent excavated debris from falling into the river. The total excavation depth was 218 meters on the Bakkal side and 206 meters on the Kauri side. After excavation, a huge number of iron rock bowls of length 4 meters, 8.5 meters and 11.5 meters were installed deep into the rock to reinforce both sides, ensuring they can withstand heavy pressure and weight. Weep holes were provided to prevent future buildup of hydrostatic pressure. Shotcrete with steel fiber reinforcement was applied on the surface to strengthen and stabilize the slope. In total, 28,660 metric tons of iron were used, along with 1 million units of earthwork and 66,000 units of concrete.
Geologically, Himalayas falls in a very high seismic zone. The wind velocity because of the valley effect is very high. So looking at all those factors, some major technical innovations were done. In case of the Chenab Bridge, many new technologies were adopted so that it can withstand the weather conditions for a very long period. For example, getting more sensors installed so that we can understand the condition of the various elements of the bridge well in time, and we can do a lot of predictive maintenance work. For example, the monitoring of seismic activity. For example, the monitoring of wind speed. For example, many other technological improvements have been done. Control center has been established in the near the bridge itself, and it was a very important part of the overall design to make sure that maintenance can become easy. Some very important strengthening measures like concrete grouting, like having the proper anchor bars, many of these things were introduced in this bridge.
The main arch of this magnificent bridge weighs an impressive 10,619 metric tons and is supported by 17 pillars. Interestingly, the bridge's deck features a combination of straight sections and curves. Specialized machinery was used to drill deep foundations and to anchor the bridge securely to the rocky terrain. High-strength materials, including concrete and 30,000 metric tons of steel, were sourced and fabricated to exact specifications, ensuring that the bridge could support the immense weight of the arch and the dynamic loads imposed by passing trains. The foundation of this massive bridge spans 46 meters, which is equivalent to a quarter of a football field. Hence, the Chenab Bridge is designed in such a way that even if one pillar gets damaged, it can still support train travel at speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour. To aid in its construction, 2 cable cranes were installed on either side of the bridge. Each crane, with a remarkable capacity to lift 34 tons of material, spanned 915 meters across the bridge, making them the longest cable cranes in the world. These colossal cranes played a crucial role in the assembly of the bridge, allowing for the precise placement of heavy components and ensuring the structural integrity of the arch. These cranes were equipped with advanced technology to handle the massive loads and to operate with the highest levels of accuracy. This robust structure is capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions, ensuring the safety of the railway line. It can endure wind speeds of up to 266 kilometers per hour and temperatures as low as -40 degrees. Protected by the 780-meter-long protection platform, the Chenab Railway Bridge is fortified to endure seismic events measuring up to 8 on the Richter scale. Furthermore, it boasts the capability to withstand external intervention. The entire iron structure is constructed from 63mm resilient steel, ensuring unparalleled resilience and safety standards. Its resilient design and capacity to endure threats make it an essential asset, safeguarding the well-being of local communities and protecting national interests. Not too long ago, people in the Kashmir Valley faced immense struggles, especially when roads were closed due to harsh weather conditions for most of the year. Something as simple as getting medicine to the valley was a painful ordeal. This bridge is more than just a connection over the Chenab River. It is a lifeline linking the Kashmir Valley with the rest of India, ensuring 24/7 access all year round, regardless of the weather. It shortens distances and bridges time, uniting communities and breaking barriers that once seemed insurmountable, and thus serves as a boon for local farmers, carpet makers, and apple growers. The Chenab Railway Bridge, along with the USBRL project's record-holding connective tunnel T49, not only serves as a vital lifeline for transportation in the region, it ensures safety for the surging tourism industry and plays a crucial role in bolstering border defense measures.
This bridge is a part of the USR project. It connects Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And in this zone, you can say this is one of the part of the your strategic project. So the main objective to connect my Srinagar, Udhampur, Srinagar, Baramulla rail link. So it connects from Udhampur to Baramulla, through a rail link, which connects to the Kashmir to rest of India. That is our connectivity, you can say.
The team from Konkan, from the contractor Afghans, from Northern Railways, the whole team has to work together to deliver something like this. It takes an awful lot of effort because this is a very, very complex project of a significant undertaking.
The pride of India shines through the Chenab Railway Bridge, a true engineering marvel. To put it in perspective, the amount of material used to build the Burj Khalifa in Dubai is much less compared to what was used for this bridge. 4 times less, to be exact. This feat of construction does not only showcase the growing prowess of India in the field of modern engineering and technology, but also is an example of changing work culture marked by an ethos of Sankalp Se Siddhi, a mantra given by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently inaugurated an electrified railway line between Baramulla and Sangaldan, marking a significant milestone in the region's connectivity and development. This electrified line not only enhances transportation efficiency, but also underscores the government's commitment to modernizing infrastructure, creating new employment opportunities in Jammu and Kashmir, boosting the region's economy, and facilitating travel for students from Jammu and Kashmir to other parts of the country for educational purposes. Chenab Bridge symbolizes the future of India's development and progress. It's a bridge that connects our nation in ways never seen before, fostering unity and prosperity across the land.
There are multiple ways in which this bridge as well as the entire railway line will help the people of Jammu and Kashmir. One, the cost of transportation will significantly reduce. Two, the connectivity will improve dramatically. There are many important products of Jammu and Kashmir. They will find new markets. the students will find new opportunities in coming to any part of the country. People who need healthcare will also find better opportunities. So in a sense, all aspects of economy will be positively impacted. Tourists will be able to go to and enjoy the Kashmir Valley in a much significant and easier way.
We are poised to transform the social and economic landscape of Jammu and Kashmir, elevating the region to new heights. As the world watches, it can truly resonate with the famous saying about Kashmir, Gar Firdaus Barwe Zamiyast, Hamiyasto, Hamiyasto, Hamiyast. If there is a heaven on earth, it is here. It is here. For India, this moment is not just about breaking records. It's about breaking barriers. The Chenab Railway Bridge stands as a monumental achievement, showcasing India's engineering and technological prowess. With the completion of this bridge, India is now truly connected from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, standing united and strong. Jai Hind!